The Sounds of the Outdoors, written by Joel Warren, illustrated by Phoebe Main.
When the world is moving fast, I'd love to stop and take a rest.
Andante loves the sounds of the outdoors. He loves the wind whistling through the air, the leaves crinkling in the trees, and the birds singing their favorite bird tunes. Andante loves this most about summertime. He also has a favorite place to listen to these sounds, his backyard, where he has his very own tree swing. As he swings by himself and listens to his favorite sounds of the outdoors, he thinks to himself how cool it would be to have a friend to listen with. One bright sunny afternoon, as Andante is listening to his favorite outdoor sounds, he realizes he cannot hear the wind whistling. What he hears instead is the sound of a backhoe digging dirt in the distance. He is upset by this because he can no longer hear the wind anymore. Andante soon forgets about it because he can still hear the leaves crinkling and the birds singing. The next day, Andante comes back to his swing, but immediately he notices something is wrong again. This time, instead of leaves crinkling, he hears drills drilling. This makes him more upset because he can't hear the soft sounds of the leaves. He is still able to hear the birds singing, which makes him happy again. The next day, Andante returns to his favorite swing because he has the birds to listen to. When he gets to his swing, something else is wrong. This time, he hears another noise, different than machines digging and drills drilling. It's the sound of hammers hammering. Andante doesn't know what to think or what to say. All he knows is that the wonderful sound of birds singing is gone. He is terribly sad and confused. Each of his favorite sounds, wind whistling, leaves crinkling, and birds singing, have vanished. Andante still has his swing, but nothing he wants to listen to, and still no friend to listen with. Each day, Andante sits on his swing, hoping to hear his favorite nature sounds, but all he hears is the rumble and tumble of machines digging, drills drilling, and hammers hammering. When will this stop? He shouts. Then, as soon as his voice calms, he notices the noises have stopped. One by one, he hears his favorite sounds again. He hears the wind whistling, the leaves crinkling, and the birds singing. He also hears another sound, the voices of children. He gets up from his swing and searches for those voices. As he gets closer, the voices get louder until he sees the greatest sight ever. It's a brand new playground with children of all ages playing on it together. At that moment, Andante realizes that all the digging, the drilling, and hammering noises that made him upset were actually the building of this playground. This makes him smile and feel so happy. He turns his head and also sees something incredible. It's a tree with two swings, not just one. Andante walks over to the swings and starts swinging. Then a girl walks over and sits on the other swing next to him. For the rest of the day, Andante is very happy because he can hear the sounds of the wind whistling, the leaves cringling, and the birds singing. Most of all, he finally has a friend that wants to share the sounds of the outdoors. The end.
Stop in the sun to whispers of the wind. Stop in the sun to songs of the birds. They are here with me in my favorite place, slowing down my pace. They are here with me in my favorite place, slowing down my pace. They are here with me in my favorite place, slowing down my pace. They are here with me in my favorite place. The sounds of the outdoors. Stop in the sun to whispers of the wind. Stop in the sun to songs of the birds. They are here with